Well, kids, I've got something to show you. This has been on the go for weeks. All my spare minutes I've been in here. But I think it's worth it. Are you ready? Let's go in. This is our workbench. It's in our shop and it is a mess. Disorganized chaos. Can't find a thing. So now that we got this new roll-up door, which Mr. Tursa put up for us, he's pretty amazing, we need to clean this up. Organize it so that we can find tools and insulate this shop so we can work on stuff in the winter months. So I need some magical words. I think that'll work. What magic words do we know? I know. Abracadabra. Nope, that didn't work. How about alakazam? Not powerful enough. Let's do bibbidi bobbidi boo. Now those were the right words. What happened in here? Look at this space. Look how clean that floor is. That's the chicken coop in there. This is our tool chest, and Mason painted it. That old fireplace, or that stove, is back here. We're still going to keep it though. But look at this storage. All those things up off the ground, organized. I still have a lot of coffee bins, but at least now I know what's inside them. This was what it was like. So we're going to take a closer look as to what we got in this shed, because it's got to get cleaned. You can't work in here. Let's see what we got. These are a bunch of hydraulic rams and hoses. Those are for implements for lifting up and down. Oh, there's a spare glove. Maybe I'll get that to Mason. Oh, there's an old broom. No handle. Looks like we got a lobster trap there. You know, for all of our lobster fishing in southwestern Ontario. Tire. Oh, look at that. There's a fireplace. We can get hooked up, get some heat in here. Some coffee cans with some stuff in them. We have a whole bunch of these. Coffee cans with stuff in them. Bolts, screws. A whole cabinet here full of fencing. And this was the bench. And this is the workbench. Yeah. Just a bunch of stuff in boxes and bird feathers and straw. Oh my gosh. Filter for a sprayer. Oh, empty, I don't know, oil jug. You could find anything you want here. Radio, that still works though, we'll keep that. Bunch of tools. Okay. That's on the list. Let's get her done. Now look at this bench. Do you see any straw or feathers on there? I think I might just be able to work on this bench. So I have working drawers now. Look at that, how clean that is. Organized. Oh, this is my strawberry shortcake drawer. Finally. Oh. I didn't want to do this. I was procrastinating. That's a big word too. But it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to something. Please keep on watching and subscribe.